Alright, so this video is meant to show you how to make a vignette in Photoshop. Here you can see this is an example of a vignette. We have a coffee cup with a faded edge. We can't really tell where the picture actually ends because we have this fade around the whole object. So, in Photoshop, here's my image. I have it pulled up. So I made this image as a 3D model that I made in Maya here. Right? So what I'm going to do is build a fade around this chessboard. Okay? And so in order to do that, I'm going to use my shape tool. And it's hiding somewhere. Let's see if I can figure out what it's hiding under. There it is. All right, so I want my rectangle tool because I want to make a rectangular fade. So I'm going to draw a fade. I want to try to angle it and adjust it so that it's nice and even. You can see that this, like in Illustrator, has a fill and a stroke. The fill is white and the stroke is black. I want to have my fill be black as well. And then now it's covering the part of the picture I want to see. So I want to flip that. So if I click here, I can go to subtract front shape. It's going to flip what's hidden. Okay? And so now what I want to do is adjust my mask properties. So I can't see that in this workspace. I'm going to switch over to painting. And now here I have this button. That's my masks button. So I'm going to jump in there. I'm going to add a feather on this. You can still come in and adjust the positioning. Now this photo's off center, right? So maybe I want to do that with my feather. And then I'll come in and I can crop the photo to make it more even. Okay? So once again, I'm going to undo all these things that I just did. Right? So now here I am with my photo once again. I want my shape tool, which is down here near the bottom. Choose my rectangle. I'm going to draw the shape. I want to subtract front shape. I can change my fill color. And then I want to go into my masks properties and feather the edge to make it a nice soft fade. Okay, you can change that as much as you want to. Then I'm going to compose my shot, right? If I didn't get exactly the shot I wanted at first, I can adjust things to clean it up. I can bring in my edge and check that. Make sure my picture is nicely framed, right? This is still adjustable. I can still come in and play with my mask and change how it applies to the scene, right? So that it's live and I can have it look like exactly what I want it to look like.